One of the easiest money in the market is news related moves. Every day, every week, you are going to see stocks making a big move because of some news which has been released. Now, typically, most of the traders focus on earnings related news, but earnings related news is not the only news which moves stocks big. There are a lot of news which can make the stock move big. Typically, for technology stocks, any new product launch, any new orders, or a competitive competition launching a product, or some change in technology, like when the AI came in, that was a new technology. As a result of that, a lot of technology companies went up. In case of biotechnology companies, it is always related to drug news, drug trials, or a conference, if there is a conference in which the company is presenting. In case of other products, it is really can be related to the industry specific news, like trucking industry. You might get a news about like a trucker shortage or a price increase is a very good catalyst, especially in a commodity kind of stocks. You will see that egg uh, stocks went up a lot when egg prices were going up, so prices increase is another catalyst. On the negative side, the catalysts are again earnings miss, but earnings miss is not the only catalyst. One very powerful catalyst on the negative side is whenever a CFO is leaving the company. The CFO knows where the dead bodies are buried. If a CFO is leaving the company, there is a doubt about the integrity of the company, or maybe about the growth potential of the company. So management change, CFO leaving a company, fraud investigation, SEC investigation, these are catalysts which can make a stock make a big move. You will see in recent days there are like couple of companies with this kind of catalyst. You had Boeing, where there was a clearly identifiable catalyst, where there was a door open during mid-flight. Today, there was a catalyst for a negative reaction on ADM or Archer Daniel Midland. The company had a CFO put on leave, and they found fraud in the company's books of account. Now, that is a clear catalyst. As a result of that, you will see that ADM stock went down a lot. So, look for catalysts just besides earnings if you want to expand your universe of trading ideas, and if you want to find a lot more trades using news.